An Independence bail bond company faces allegations it forged a police officer's signature in court records.
Now, exactly why is not clear, but if it's true, it's costing taxpayers money. Larry Seward broke this story. He's here now with the exclusive details. Larry?
Yeah, Mark, bondsmen only pay when people they bail out skip court, and that money goes to pay court bills. Well, this document let a bondsman off the hook, but the signature giving it authority is forged. Are you Coleman Keys?
No, he's not here.
Okay, I need to ask you all about this letter of incarceration. The officer's name at the bottom says it's forged.
I've been trying to get a copy of this.
Grabbing papers from my hand, this man inside Keys Bonding wants to know more about this document bearing his employer's name.
Can you all explain what's going on there?
No, we're trying to figure out who did it, too, because I handle the court stuff. I don't want the camera and stuff on it.
Yesterday, NBC Action News obtained a copy of this municipal court record. It's from Keys Bonding. It says on February 8th, a man named Brian Barnhart was in Kansas City police custody. It's signed by Officer William Keeney, serial number 4320. Trouble is, Kansas City's jail log shows no record of Barnhart ever being there in February. Oh, and the officer who signed this receipt is a KC traffic cop named William Keeney.
You're Officer William Keeney, right?
That's correct, yeah.
Is that your serial number?
That is my serial, 4320.
Is that your signature?
No, that is not my signature.
And he can prove it.
My signature's here. That's the way I've always signed it.
Keeney says he always signs with a distinctive loop. It looks nothing like the signature on the document in question. Before it was signed, Barnhart went to jail on domestic charges. Keys bailed him out, promising the judge he'd show up for court, but he didn't, leaving Keys vulnerable to paying forfeiture costs. Instead, the company produced this record. Because it's signed by an officer, Keys didn't pay a dime. Presiding Judge Gary Helm claims he had no idea the signature was forged.
Well, we do take it at face value, but apparently we won't do that anymore.
We showed the forged document to Independence Police. Keeney plans to pursue criminal charges.
Can you all offer an explanation about that?
As for Keys Bonding, our questions got us kicked out and angered this man showing us the door.
If you want to talk, turn your camera.
I want...
But more questions are coming. Independence detectives plan a criminal investigation.
And tonight, those detectives expect Officer Keeney to file a report in the next few days. Meanwhile, Missouri's Department of Insurance is also paying attention here. They license all bail bonding companies in the state. Mark and Elizabeth, it's also worth noting that Keys Bonding has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau here in Kansas City and no complaints within the last 36 months.
So they don't have any history of this in the past?
None. In fact, the judge there in Independence Municipal Court said in 18 years he's never heard of a bonding company doing something like this, and they have no outstanding forfeitures with the state of Missouri's Department of Insurance.
All right.
All right, keep us posted on it.
Thanks, Larry.
Very interesting.
Sure.